Hi guys, just an update on what we're thinking of doing next. We've got a problem really. This table on the other versions of this van had a piece in the middle that extended it. We don't have that for whatever reason. But even if we did, it's not ideal. And as it is now, only those people sat in those two chairs can make any use of it. Sat here you can't reach it, sat there you can't reach it, sat here you can't reach it. Also the other problem is it's got a leg that if you drop the table you have to take off and do something with it, which is a real pain. Also, it's very difficult to get to the cupboards, as you can see. If I try and get around here, I have to squeeze past the table to open one. Same in the middle, and same at this side. And barely reach inside these. So it's going to have to go. As I said, it's not too bad if you sat here, but we need to change it and figure out how to make it work for us. Okay, so this is the solution. This is on a bracket called a Lagun leg. The bracket doesn't come with a top, so you can supply your own top any length you like. We got this one because it kind of goes with the furniture and everything else. It swivels around so you can move it around. As you can see, where we had an issue before, you can have it right over here so you can use it. It's great. You can have it over here. The solution to the cupboards is you can just move it out of the way to get to these, or you can move it to get to these. And even if it's got something on the plate, knife and fork, you don't have to empty it to move it. You can just do that, get in the cupboards. And to store it, you can either put it there, obviously when I'm driving, we can spin it round and put it away there. You'll notice that I've mounted the bracket off centre, so you can have it short here, or if you spin it the other way, it's a bit longer. So that means somebody sat there can use it for the cups or drinks, or even sit on the edge and have something to eat, and somebody here can use it at the same time. And it's really good. It's dead easy to manoeuvre. It's very light. It spins on its own. It's just much better than the previous table that came with it. Obviously that was 25-30 years old. This is much more modern design. It's used on yachts, boats and things like that, and it works a treat.